2 ships, 2 emergencies, 1 shaken cruise brand. This week, Princess Cruises faced a double disaster. A galley fire aboard Island Princess and propulsion failure on Ruby Princess that wrecked an entire Alaska itinerary. Let's break down exactly what happened and what it means if you're booked with Princess anytime soon. It all started just hours into Island Princess's 18-night cruise to Canada and Greenland. At 6 a.m. local time, guests were woken by emergency alerts and told to grab their life jackets. The cause? A fire in the galley on Deck 12, the area that serves the ship's Lido buffet. The crew jumped into action, using foam and extinguishers. The captain confirmed the fire was contained within the hour, no injuries reported, and breakfast resumed, with limited options. Passengers praised the swift response, with some saying they felt safer thanks to the crew's professionalism. One guest even joked, "First a medical evac by helicopter at 3 a.m., then a fire at 6 a.m. Great start to my first Princess cruise." Meanwhile, over in Alaska, guests aboard Ruby Princess were facing a slower kind of disaster. Literally, just after leaving San Francisco, the ship announced it was dealing with propulsion issues and would be sailing at half speed. That small change led to big problems. Endicott Arm, cancelled, Ketchikan, delayed by days, and Victoria, one of the cruise's most beloved stops, swapped for a shorter day in Prince Rupert, which left many guests furious. The cherry on top, guests were offered $50 in onboard credit as compensation. One passenger summed it up. "They waited until we were already sailing to tell us, and all we get is $50. Total joke." According to Princess, safety wasn't compromised. But this isn't Ruby Princess's first mechanical issue, and the cause of this latest failure still hasn't been disclosed. While Island Princess continued on schedule, there's concern that future Ruby Princess sailings, including the next Alaska cruise, could also be affected. So if you're booked, stay alert for updates. Princess may not be legally required to refund more, but the back-to-back nature of these issues could seriously shake traveler confidence. Fires, failures, frustrated guests. What would you do if this happened on your sailing? Would you demand more compensation or never book Princess again? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like, subscribe, and drop an anchor on that bell for more cruise truth straight from the deck. This is Lido Deck News, always afloat, always alert.